Sanmunani G family, and welcome to another episode of Father to Father Conversations. We have come together as Amachita from different walks of life, as brothers, sons, fathers, Omalume, you name it. The grand Buffett. Buffett, Susa, my first question is, how would you define being a great father?
I couldn't say
on what Tira is saying, I think being a present dad means so much more cutting like Vamaj, because our kids just need more of us in Pilenza. We must make sure which as much as we can see my code in bed.
Yeah. I would say in Sizwa it's a responsibility for ingane zayo. At least ahluleke zamile.
Yeah.
Leza azaziyo nangazazi.
I mean, like for me, it's all about being present. Providing for them, productions of my ukuthi umuntu ohlala ekhaya so people osiza, and also it also showing that on the be there for them.
Yeah, I think like you can say shinji father still in the from the pet. So you need to be sponsor involved with kind of the structure when you road is alive, even the kitchen and back.
And also I think Gubaba is understanding which sekunomuntu obhekewe ukuthi uhamba kanjani, and they look at what you everything you do, so but they copy. If you have a son, umfana azobheka kuphela akazolalela into eshoyo kuphela, uzobheka indlela yona. They grow up and want to be like you, so you have that responsibility.
Amazing. While we're still on it, first of all, condolences on the passing of your son, but I want to just get into how do you deal with that grief?
I don't know how to deal with it. I'm still trying to navigate around it because no one expects what he was Oshonel. So life threw me into a very deep end, and unexpectedly. I think it was 2 days after my live recording, so I was still in a celebration mode, and then 2 days after, I'm losing a son. So now a 13-year-old is someone osekhulile, fully developed, someone that you've indoctrinated. Uyambona usuqala ukuzibona nawe again. Yabo ukuthi le ntwana le isifuna yonke into yabo, yonke into ngisho igqoka yabo ufugqokisa kwe-time yabo. So you already see yourself, you see the next generation in that boy. So losing all that 13 years of hard work, growing, raising that boy, it's really heartbreaking. But dealing with it takes time. I don't think you ever get through grief, So because every day you wake up and you think about him, every night, because you see abangani bakhe, you see eskoleni, the soccer, everything, all his favorite, like in the camera, like in everything. So it's really hard to deal with the grief.
There's in society, Indoda is seen as someone who must be strong all the time. Did you ever feel that you couldn't be vulnerable, Lukomba, my emotions wako, because you need to be strong for everybody else around you?
Luckily, I have so many father figures around me, people that I look up to who are giving me a call. Abanye bethe uqina ndoda yabo, abanye bethe indoda ayikhali, but those people, those individuals abengifuna bahlale nami phansi bathe ndoda, listen, khala memele ukhale, ulahlekelwa ingane konke lokho, khala indoda hayi ukuthi indoda ayikhali. I think amadoda we need to encourage them ukuthi but there's one thing that you must do. I've learned, you don't cry in front of your family, you don't cry in front of your kids, because you as men, ndomaskhala, remember I said babuka wena kakhulu. If you have a sadness, if you are filled with sadness, the whole house is going to be filled with sadness.
I think you touch on a very important point. So I'd like to throw this one to you. We speak about being emotionally vulnerable, and you've said awukwazi ukukhala phambi kwabantu. Do you think that society then looks at men differently if uyakhala phambi kwabantu?
Yes, kuba khona lokho ukuthi kuyahlekwa. Even other men are not able to go and report a case. Like abuse khona ngoba uzovictimizwa mhlambe by structure itself. So awasho ngazuze lapho ngapha. I think for amadoda kusekhona lobo mzima lobo, as much as we try to transition and say abantu mabakhali, second reason but I think do it for yourself. More with you content apart, cry if moment way.
Yeah. So you see, lento kala le women will often refer to it as you are emotionally unavailable because awukhali. And a lot of the times bankhuluma namachita bathi lo mfazi lo ufuna ungenza isiyoyo. When we put that
mina mfethu ngithi mase kumele ukhale khala kodwa thola ikhona nje la ukhalela khona because kunabantu ababambelele kuwena ithemba labo lokuwena wena ya yonke lento uyabo so uma ngabe usubukeka uweak phambi kwa umunye umuntu then you are feeding that same energy you know so always appear as strong as you can but mase kuphethe kakhulu usisele ngale khoneni usikhihle usuqinile.
Calvin, do you think then this thing of us ukuthi siyafihla ukuthi siyakhala because sabantu nathi we feel, do you think that pours on to the next generation and sifundisa ingane zethu zabafana not to cry?
Yeah, I think lesikhule kade second strand ukuthi into fakala kahle kahle kwakumele besichazele ukuthi indoda ayikhali phambi kwabantu. You know, so it's very important ukuthi nabo sibafundise ukuthi izintwana mina like I talk with boy usale emtshani zesikhathi deyitwana bengalokhu kana
just a team.
Yeah. So I think as hard as it is I think ibalekile ukuthi sikufundise ufana ukuthi akakhala.
Yeah. Makoya, do you remember the last time wakhala?
Hey, ngiyakhumbula.
Yeah.
Sometimes ama arguments ekamele ngishisa.
Yeah.
And sometimes ngobona ukuthi ngempela you no longer have words to express yourself.
Right.
Because my sikali ngikuphela but they put me here because I'm not going to this is
Ayabuzwa mina very Kimande. How do you think?
I come from of within the Daikali.
Yeah.
But Leo that affected so much even when my mom passed.
Yeah.
I didn't cry.
Yeah.
And the day it caught me on the M4 driving.
Yeah.
Hey, what is you? I started crying. I had a pop on the side, the uncontrollable. 6 months.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, we'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you speak on something very, very important. Mina angshaya sisekapa on stage. Right? It's a full house. Ziyawa. So you must understand, ngiphethe mic, I'm trying to hype the crowd up, but inyembezi as well as poor. Because for the longest time, being ifihla leyo, the pain that I was going through, you know. But it's just one of those things where that's why I thought it's important that we touch on the crying subject, because a lot of us say fihla, that feeling that you have and those emotions. Mtimande, what is it going to take then for amadoda then to learn how to change that behavior and be able to, as you guys said, utoli khona lakho khona ukukhala?
I think it goes back to what I was saying, like about being present and just adapting to the present time. Mind you, says Lana, mind you, like you need to be open-minded and listen to what people are saying in terms of how better we can be parents, and just listen to more conversation. There's a matter like what say Lana, we about positivity. I feel like we're here to grow our society, so we need more platforms like this to actually have those tough conversations. And you know, like and I see the one end of the scale, which is sharp, there's sadness and there's tough times. But now, is there anything wrong with Ukhala because you are happy in front of your kids? Because you're trying to teach them that joy. It's making me happy to the point where I can't contain my feelings. I'm really proud of you. Is something wrong with that?
Lenda wekhala inzima.
Awunakhala nje wini award.
So ikhala nini?
Baqhubeke nje. Stress so hlanganisa lento uyibona ihlangana, and the success of awungazi and putting something together for me, and I'm like here in Comoros, and I'm like Yo, it's been hard.
Yeah.
Kind of like this table. And just the kids that we work with, there's some small food, but when you actually see the success, well, sometimes it just brings tears to your face.
Yeah.
Understood. Calvin, looking back at the passing of Itaima, what is the one lesson that you've taken from it that you want to now impart to your kids and future generations?
Ukuthi ilento ukuthi bethu as ubaba wefana khona izinto inoma balingithatha izinto and uyithatha with-finance, you know. Ubaba amina abantu abaningi bazi into uthembe lento descendant of finance yakho, but akhona yedwa umuntu ongumkholi because ube umuntu ongathandi ukuvela kakhulu, but iy'mfundiso zakhe izonevela ngikhoda nje iy'mfundiso zakhe, so imali kakhulu uku-impacta iy'mfundiso ashiye nazo. Imali kakhulu uzothi German hands siphile ngesandla sensimbi, and like now uma-ke ngizothi mina isandla ngizosithambisa njenge-Microsoft, ngicabanga ukuthi abazukulu bami ngeke bebeleke ngiyodwa, you know, because into ehlale sisho I mean like igama nje isikunda English sisho phela, you know, but imfundiso zakhe izoneza kwazi ukuthi ishintshe impilo yethu. So okwami nami uthi ngiqhubekeni naso umuze abazukulu bami bengafani nobani, they are so
So you're also now a father, devoted family man, but also you're supportive of your child's journey. How do you then balance being that father and not being too strict, because you've walked that road in the industry, and now you've got to pave the way for the next generation?
Look, it's a bit of a challenge because industry ngiyona and ngiyawazi wonke ama challenges, and you always hope ukuthi eshintwana yami izoba udokotela noma izoba lawyer. But it is what it is. Most of the internations, they like to follow what we do. Okubalulekile for us is to guide, is to put those strict rules, because thina sesiwokile le path, sesiyazi ukuthi khona ipothole lapha, khona ikhona elikheva kanje lapha. You put those guidelines. So I was very strict at the beginning. Okay, number one, sort out indaba yesikole in this lab. You know, we got through that. Sisetheshari manje, sisaqala sisalusina apha kancane manje ama-gigs. Since over the age of 18. Before age of 18, i-club ayikuvumeli ukuthi ungene. Akusimini onqabayo.
Mthetho awuvumi.
Wafika u-18 ngakhunjuzwa i-day after birthday ukuthi hayi sengifikile 18. Ngangeke ngisa-extenda-ke, you know. So, you know, intwana iyaphusha. And yeah, man, then we support her manje moving forward.
Yeah. Makoya, being a strict parent, being that you're always on social media, masikbono chaiva nomkilane, or you know, you're always somewhere laughing with people. How do you then go home and still be able to ube strict, ube umzali wazi nje ukufaka intwana elineni?
Umuntu kufanele understand ukuthi yonke into oyenzayo iyabuya kuwena. Futhi mawenza into ebhedayo lizobuya lizokudestroy and check you back. So mawuthi serious, yabo, you take what you see that's gonna work for you, and nawe kufanele ngempela uyigade ukuthi izinto zenzayo zibe izinto ezokhulisa, you know, umfana lo omkhulisayo. So thina ke siphila ku-entertainment ke obviously sema-clubbing seumbububu namuntu umbona naye sefuna ukuhamba nawe doda, are you ready ukuthi uhambe nami, but nginama-guidelines ekufuneka uwalandele, yabo, and uthola ukuthi naye futhi une-scheme sakhe, yabo, le-scheme sakhe naye uzomsohla ukuthi kwenziwe lokhu nalokhu. Yabo, and you know ukuthi uyohleze ethi abangani bami, but irresponsibility kuwena ngoba mase khala into izokhala kuwena, izokhala abangani bami.
Yeah. Sure, it's a tough one, that one. Ntokozo, have you ever found yourself needing to challenge maybe izinto wakhuliswa ngazo in order to become a great father? So there are things that, for example, ekhaya that you weren't allowed to do, but masubheka in the times that we live in, you might need to adapt and lower your guard.
yazi ukuthi for me it's difficult ngoba ukukhula kwami ngikhule ngingenayo ubaba.
Okay.
So I grew up ubaba wami angimazi kwashona ngina 6 months. There's not even a picture yakhe ukuthi babenganazi izithombe so kusho wayengayizwani icamera.
Yeah.
So washona and so I have no reference of fatherhood.
Yeah.
You know, so growing up I wanted to be a father that I imagined my father uzoba uyena. So umkhulu wami was the closest thing to ubaba, but then masikhula sikhulele lokushini kaMashu, khona ugogo, khona umkhulu, khona umalume, khona uauntie. So kune first generation, the second generation, mase kuzoba third generation nathi.
Yeah.
So now there was not really a father figure esasingabheka kuyona. So mina mangiphume lokushini edladleni ngathi mina engeke ngifuna ukuqala yami impilo. So I had no reference at all ukuthi ngifuna ukuba baba onjani, but ke along the way bakhona abantu abakusizayo. Yabo. So mengiqala ukushada ngashada ngina 26. That was 2007. Umshado wami esibili nje.
Okay.
So mangishada kokuqala bengina 26. Then ngaqala ngabo baba. So I had to change narrative eningi because khona indlela ngayo mina kune masculinity because ngiqale ngakhulula emakhaya asengize lokushini. So kune masculinity ebengiyibothi toxic esifundiswa yona yabo, bese kuba khona masculinity engiyibonayo ukuthi ayile izosiza ukuthi ngive impact einganeni zami. So bengichoose izinto ebengiyibona zingisiza mina because bengikhula emakhaya kuthiwa ingane ikhuliswa isigodi so yabo. So so it's a village but elokushini umama umothangwe nathi hey uyinikoma ingane yami yabo echela umama kamakhelwane yabona nto. So parenthood there was no reference, so ziningi kodwa izinto ebengizibona. Number 1 edladleni elokushini ngabona ukuthi ngeke ngisurvive because sibaningi angazi ngilalele bengilalela umama ngilalela umkhulu yini. So most of us sikhule sinaleyo no challenges angawo, but ziningi izilahle ezinye ngazidevelopa mina ngaziqala from the scratch ngathi no from my family ngiqalayo this is what I want because ngangisizakala endleleni kwabanye abantu ababa father figure not edladleni.
So you come from a different one where you uphume esithembeni and Tina besohlala la sithi hey so umthatha nini omunye. But you've spoken before about how you felt you needed a little bit more from Ithima, or you would have liked a different way of being brought up by Ithima. Now, coming from polygamy, how do you then shape the type of father that you would have liked to have?
Firstly, like angena umuntu or against this table.
Yeah.
Wasekho ngabangekho.
Yes.
But I wish we would mina ngiyasifuna.
Yes.
So for me it's a big no. Ngingasho ngithi mhlambe one of the things isithembu siyicontrola yiloyo muntu osiphethe. But futhi isithembu ekwazi ukucontrola manje you're not strong. Ngoba kufanele kulwalele wena, kufanele kube nezwe lodwa elilandelwayo, right? So I think my father kind of failed us there.
Okay.
Where he was also not present, and then I'm immediately then. So befika ngalana ahlale kakhulu ngalana, and then bese adopt a certain lifestyle. And then masebuya abe umuntu ofaka ukuthi benziwe izinto. So there was a bit of abuse.
Okay.
Indlela ayena ayisirana ngayo.
Yeah. Okay.
And then he kind of portrayed this thing ukuthi kube ubaba kufanele uhlale into vale, you know. But fortunately ngenxa yokufunda ukufunda ngisho mhlambe emabhasithi nana, but from reading you just get to understand how there is a different father out there. Or gently okwaziyo ukuthi ashwele phansi akhulume kwi-level yengane yakhe. And then akumele ukuthi azalwe nayo. So I think my difference from indlela engakhuliswa ngayo ukuthi I chose the other approach of khuluma.
Okay.
It might have made me too soft because I was trying so hard ukuthi ngingafani nobaba. So nami compromise to a certain level as a person in general. But I think I'll still choose me and the way I've decided to run my career.
Amazing. Ntimande, you're doing the nappy thing all over again. You've started afresh. How are you finding it this time around?
I think for me, it's just such a thing like Okay, so with your firstborn, like you went really like dead in the world. Usazobona mase uthola lokho ozofana naye endlini. Hey baba ungifisela amabhadi. And my vuga, umuntu like ubreak mouth like nyewa naye lo muntu lo naye vela phenduka vele bokuthi hayi le bhekane nami. Like 2 hours of sleep. So I'm used to it. Like I'm also privileged to have like that experience, and I would like more kids, as tough as it is, because yeah, man. So yeah, for me, like it's a great experience, and I wouldn't take anything away from my current experience. And like, I do one more. Like, it's taught me so much about myself as well, and just being selfless. Afterwards, you're giving of yourself to grow somebody else. That's going to be the person that's going to lead your family in the future.
How do you then navigate? As you said, you're coming back from the club, how do you navigate then parenthood at that point in time? Because then that also builds other clashes. The whole night.
I think it also then talks to the strength bond because she understands my work environment. She understands like Senzai and how much I sacrifice for the family in that world. So we are willing to work together here as well and understand each other and just create greater bonds for our family. So I'm very privileged to listen to a little mundo right.
Berings, how do you then navigate like your family structure also? Bearing in mind that now you live in between two cities, but you still need to have the family structure, and how do you manage and balance it?
Yeah, mangifike eJozi ngiyisikhathi ethi mangiphuma namajita. Hlala endlini with my family, make sure ukuthi ngibanikeza isikhathi go out, kubalekile lokho. Come to Durban, it's all about work, it's studio, it's meetings and whatever. I think the more you limit isikhathi nje sakho ngoba phela understand ukuthi you need to take care of your family. Limit isikhathi sakho sokudlala kakhulu yabo. Noma udlala it's very, very important because your time is precious. So if it's so spend it with the people that are most important to you. So I think that also helps balance.
Gents, is there anyone that is co-parenting on the panel?
Yes.
Yourself. All right, gents, this one is for you. How are you managing co-parenting?
No, it's difficult. It's difficult. For instance, co-parenting is unique because it's between me and my ex-wife.
Yes,
so it's someone that I spent 13 years now. So so now I have a new family. I have 2 kids there. So now balance, because kungenza ukuthi lo ongalo ucabanga ukuthi lezi ingane engala engihleli nazo zine luxury or ziphila kangcono kunalezi ziyena. So now I have to create a balance, and and I have also learned ukuthi ingane azikhuliswa ngemali kuphela. Sometimes as fathers we throw money at kids and think and showing up for them, not only doing child support and doing that, but showing up for them. So now I have an 18-year-old girl, and I still need to show up for her, co-parent naye. But into frustrates kakhulu ama rules ukuthi bekufanele ufonele mina kuqala before wenza ukuthi and stuff like that. But we find a way to manage the issue of co-parenting ngoba but ingane yami nje lena, but now umthetho uvuna yena kakhulu. So it's very hard.
I've heard of situations where guys have literally had to ukuthi bathengele ingane iphone so that mangifuna ingane yami ngakhuluma nayo at any time, because a lot of the times and a lot of the conversations I don't think the men and the women are understanding each other. Men relate practically to things, whereas women come from an emotional point to answer the fight. The fight is emotions, whereas Tina sifuna practically ingane yami ngifuna uyifonela na iphone ngimthengele yona. How are you finding navigating?
It's a work in progress daily. We come from a very dark space that I'm so privileged because I said Komanje.
Yeah.
I mean, we've done all 3-way therapy, like that didn't work out. So lots of prayer as well from everyone involved. But it's going to get better because at the end of the day, we're trying to raise human beings that we hope will be abundant and be and have impact on life. So we need to inject ourselves. We're like right now we're dealing with my son is 10 and now suddenly nada. So my is like, mind you, why is everyone focused on my younger brother? Does no one care about me anymore? Like what's happening? Am I important? So we need to teach him who to know. This is your younger brother who looks up to you. So we need to take care of him to get him to where you are in life as well, to be as strong as now where you are as well. So let's just do it together. And he gets it. Messiah Hamba, my sibling in 2 weeks time say quickly we better start again. So all of that reinforcing and love all the time, which we are happy to do.
Gents, we're talking about dividing time amongst households, amongst work. How, in general, are you balancing the demanding career and family time?
Hey, looking at me.
No, this is for everyone.
No, but for me, I think again, lab when it comes to balancing household nje, kunama duties owazi like ekhaya, kunama duties engazi ukuthi unkosikazi wami kuona uya-excela wona u-right yabo kunezinto ezidinga yena vele like ukupheka vele uyapheka u-right and ayikho igame lami lokupheka kwami yabo so alikho lokuwasha izitsha alikho lokucleana alikho yonke leyo yeah yabo and that's the kind of man I am, that's the kind of husband that I am. But when it comes to kids I'm flexible. Ngiyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhathele mhlawumbe u-auntie like for instance u-auntie akabuya kaphi ngibhizi ngishintsha ama-napkins I have to be involved. I have to make sure ukuthi abantwana esikoleni ngoba kune-madness yasekuseni so I can't just sit ngithe ngiyindoda mina ngenza ABC, you know, so mase kuba khona izinto that I entirely expected ukuthi zenziwe yimi, you know, as ubaba wekhaya, and I cannot outsource those things and kubalekile. So now a problem eba sekutheni ngibuya ngikhohlwe mina ngoba i-career yami sometimes sisebenza ama-hours odd ngempela yabo so I always make sure ukuthi if ngakwazi I have to outsource usizo umuntu azokwazi. I'm not less of a man if I'm not able to do that.
Sure. So this
I think mina bethi i-vision yakho fanele wonke umuntu omndeni understand and wonke umuntu babe behind wena, you know, then it's easy to divide the task because makufanele ungabi khona everybody knows ukuthi baba fanele ngabe bikho and baba fanele simsupport njengoba engekho nezinto efanele zenze, you know. A lot of mistake amajita yenzayo because amajita sifuna nokuganga sibuye sifune ngokusebenzisa isipani sethu ukucover izinto zokuganga bese uhamba uyabanja ukuthi isipani ubuye uthi yakusona kanti awuyile kusona ngiyoganga so manje
so sicela uyikhuluma
ngiyasikhulumela Let me finish. So ngikhuluma reality la so uthola ukuthi manje kufanele uphume kodwa uhlinelekile beyibona lonto leyo abantu kufanele bakusupport abasakusupport then sekunzima for wena ke manje ukudivide isikhathi sakho for umsebenzi nomndeni nayo yonke into because of that, you know.
No, siyakuzwa Sokisi, but siyacela mfethu ungasifaki. Do your children understand daddy's at work?
Yeah, they do understand, and I think mina ngayisebenzisa also ama opportunities now surprisable now, like we're not living nje kusaphela njengane 3 days in a row yabo esikoleni mazivume ithuba yabo or imakuthu yamhambisa esikoleni ngempela ngempela isikhathi masikhona yabo ube present ngempela uvuka umhambise yabo ngoba usungekho futhi shaya umoya yabo so mawukhona make sure ukuthi ngempela uyatshengisa ukuthi usebenzisa isikhathi sokungena ube ne-energy right ungathi mawuthi ufikile bese uvele ube umuntu okhathele yabo manje isuzobasizwisa le pain lokuthi lo muntu uyasebenza ngempela yabo manje kade ngasesinaki but at least mawukhona yabo be active uwe bakhiphe wenze into lokuyana yabo I think that helps.
So your show is now 12 to 3. It's also that pick-up hour from Eskoleni.
Yeah.
So how has that adjustment been, especially now? Hey, maybe I won't be able to fetch you anymore from Eskoleni. These are the changes that need to happen.
Yeah, I think that we like if you look about business, we also do appearances.
Yeah.
Easy, there's something that we often not talk about as people together. I've been married for 10 years. The first years of Umshate were a bit hard because that gave the Umshate no hand out. You know,
yeah.
Okay, I need to provide, I need to be out there, that kind of thing, you know. But then I went for therapy, and me and my wife, and what we found was that we need to have the shape. I think when we adopted that thing, it kind of helped us. Rules, expectations from me as much as beyijabulela lending so ngiyitshela but abayijabuleli uma ikhona ngeke. You know what I mean? So we had to come up with nje loosely in the final nokuthi I'm the one who drops the kids to school.
Yeah.
You know, I help out even lapha mabesala bakusahlanganiswa kwezibi captain. Okay, I'm trying nalokho ngidlalela.
You know. Yeah.
So there are other things also that happen as also qhubeka.
Yeah.
Ezithinta mina nezinye ezithinta ifro. Sathola ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi sisplitile lezi zinto we are even able to have time
for ourselves. Yeah.
So the kids understand.
What as indoda as well, like to be able to say, hey, therapy is a good idea. What made it easier for you rather to say and be able to accept that maybe I should go to therapy?
Because also my past, I never wanted to marry. My mother also like divorced. My dad had his own situations. I was trying to get this right. I could see what with bodies, but why this little and before we get cheats and that, it's not, it's communication. So if niggas one, yeah, and understand each other, no, get the control of it.
Yeah.
And look through that once you get each other.
Okay, Calvin, I want to ask this now because I think Umzo has touched on something very important. Ukuthula emshadweni. How important is that for a man? That peace of mind. Ukuthi mangiye ekhaya, it's my peaceful place.
Shorted by a punch.
No, yeah, this is not true.
Yeah.
Whenever it's home time, we are big ending now. I go take European and kind.
Yes.
Or more natural we spend the status even who is always in entertainment.
Yeah.
I go to Saturday. I say but that's in fact, you know. So for me, I always say entry. That's how you're not down in this kind of peace cutting, you know. So we can say especially the car. If I don't try to run the things and getting a safety because I feel so good to see that it's not winning. You know, if you say feel what I say, but I say resolve it because what happened is, man, for winning a trouble by your cheat, you know, and functioning. You know, you're keeping you can sometimes in the staff who told you to fight to hold peso, and they didn't get a calica, you know, and the motor saw that it was communication. You know, your versions of what is in there, then you shut them in like good or what's about cheating, the just miscommunication. You know, sometimes I told about it in the phone and then the actors trying to treat it to middle phase. And then what's a common reason when you're in and asking, you know? So yeah, I always say go ahead, you show to your activity, my career.
Gents, can I put it to you that a man is at his weakest when he's in love?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a friend.
Because kunezinto ozitolerateayo Ngoba usothandweni ubothi yazi lento kube ngumjida nje ngihambela ngedwa ngikho bedla beke ngiyimele le but because we are in love because we are in love we have to compromise and we have to understand. I think enye into futhi ukuthi umshado is an institution of mercy and ukuzwela yabona and also umuntu uyam-accepta nama imperfections zakho umthande njalo, you know, and tell yourself ukuthi no, this is a mountain or this is a hill engizofela kuyona, ngizofela kule ndaba le with all the imperfections, and now you make a decision. So lokho kukodwa is a weakness because uwena nje uwedwa izinto ongeke uzuyimele lezo, kodwa because you are in love you are going to tolerate those things and find yourself which I
will try to add that, but it might be footy when we're in love, we might be very strong because our penetrating ilabo satana balance.
Yes,
it's true. Satana 2 feet. So
later isho bese ngiyayivuma. I think i-weakness yokuba sothandweni somehow inawo amandla because it creates ama-boundaries, you know, for the outside world yabo ukuthi akwazi ukungena yano ubakoya.
So James, I'd like to then pick up from that question and move towards it. Okay, so in terms of us as Fundisa, the next generation, what red flags should young men actually look for in a partner if they're thinking of having ingane one day? Let's start with you, Sois.
Sure. I think vethu into ebaluleke kakhulu vethu is ukubheka ukuthi umuntu uzokwakha noma uzothatha, and it's easy to see nje ukuthi lo uzoletha noma uzothatha uyabo, and I think iqala lapho nje indaba yokuthi lento yenu iyapi, you know.
Ngizofuna ukuthatha ngendasho songs because amenda ngifana nentwana yakhe nekhona manje itshela ukuthi ayikade abantu abazi ukuthi utarget up them, you know, because I hate it ozoyakha and you know umuntu be expect ukuthi ekukhulisa ingane yakho, umuntu ozokhula ukuthi okay ibhekane naye but when you go into a relationship it's working. So for me that's, and then umuntu owanze uthi go in demand.
Market very.
Ngikubuza mina. Imuphi umuntu ompreferayo mawushaya iflop uzothi hey kwenzani? Nalo uthi mawufika endlini uvela ufike ngesleep.
Hayi,
unzima lokho boys.
Mina ngifuna lo ozongiconfront.
Me too.
Lo thulile hayi ngakulimaza.
Nenhliziyo embi.
But it takes emotional intelligence. Mina then you show a bit. I'd say we don't say that. Uyabona ma ukhona into angayithandi kasho. Kwenza isikhathi uthola ukuthi into angayithandi but uzobona ukuthola ukuthi uyayithanda. Kumele ukhweshime and then uthola ukuthi uyayithanda. Bafana ngeke ngikanya bethu.
I agree.
Umuntu conversational guys nami ngiyabona.
Yabona ukuthula. Hey ukuthula. Yabona
ukuthula. Kodwa khona lokuconfront okuviolent.
Yes. And
Because provokes now.
Ufuna umuntu ozofika ayibeke indaba etafuleni athi mfo kunje.
Angi-understand la kanjani ngicela sikhulume ngane. Okay. Yabo lokho ngiyakuprefer mina. But umuntu othula boss yazi lo muntu akekho right kodwa uthi angazi uplanani. Hey. Sokubheki.
Lalela mfethu nginomngani so his basically ifro yathumela iPI ukuthi imlandele aphumile athi no kunento esipani ngephi yamlandela iweekend away umjida ayibeka phila impilo emnandi ngeweekend yonke makabuya endlini efrijini ithombe zibekiwe lapha zakhe ze weekend lo mama akayikhulumi le ndaba uyavula ama fridge abeka ukudla yenze konke lapha kubeka lo mfolo day one ayizibe le ndaba lo mama akayikhulumi le ndaba
ithombe
portfolio of evidence is on the fridge in the kitchen on magnets athi day 2 ate bafetha ngilala na into enzakala lapha endlini uyazi ukuthi amajita egroupini batozisuse lezi zinto lezi yabo hayi na yazisusa zithi ebusuku athi alele laleki bana phaphama lo muntu lo naye ulele la peaceful uyabo athi mama ngicela sikhulume lento athi yipi yayithola so lo wakasho sisathi ngiyazi lento okhuluma ngayo ukuthi ithombe bekayibekile fridge athi after day 3 wavele wathi lalela ngiyahamba angisakhona yabo until she said okay asambe sekhaya ubatshela ukuthi uhambelana and he said yeah but I'm trying to sort it out now but awukhulumisi but now asambe ubatshela ekhaya ukuthi wenzani wena mawuthe uhamba emsebenzini you know so living with the silence was killing me 3 days alive you know but the other side of it is Mnamtimanda I look at it differently I think men can decide who they go on one knee for but you can never decide who bears children. Women decide who they bear children for. So sometimes you had no plans of making this person a mother, but you find yourself with that person a catch. Masaka catchil and she decides to keep it. There is nothing you can do as a man. You know, even if my police station pali affidavit with mina ngitele ngana ngifuni mayizalwa leyo ngane you support.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, but I will catch you.
If I can come it there, like I see how arguments ends that for my feminists. Obviously, just that when you do this for our kids.
Yeah.
Especially age what it says yeah.
So of knowledge.
Yeah.
I think it's Mawkala ingxoxo wena nomuntu wakho nabantwana bakho ikale with ukuthi ngifisa esiphetho sithini. I found that a lot of people start ingxoxo ingabano leyo ongazi nawe uzophila kanjani. So if I say let's sit down it's because I want to have the solution. So there must be a structure with body esidlula kuyona otherwise wakhulunywa ukushaya u2 ekuseni.
Yeah.
That's the problem say akubethe sobabili khona and then this is the decision we take with this thing. So I find that a lot of people just find that that's why kukhululwa mfethu uzibishawu for it saying
yeah.
So uma nivumelana ningaxabene
Linda loku
uthi masixabana
ashinduko
uma sixabana sobe sixabanele ukuthi sifune solution.
Yeah.
So khona la usuthi okay now what do we do about it? No, but otherwise you can argue.
But I think any problems or I think enzakalayo most people they basukufuna win the argument which you know you're right when you're wrong you know and that's when you know we're not wrong we're right you know so I think that drags it even prolongs the argument igcina seniqhumbela isonto lonke you know for no reason when something you know and when you could just admit okay no ayisebenzi le can we try something else. I think our arguments sometimes are maninga so ngekho.
This then leads me to Ubuzo, which guys, where we are now as fathers, have any of you had the experience of having to take any of your kids to eat there? As abazali to kind of navigate, let's get a third party that's more educated and more professional to try and help us?
Me, definitely. My son is introvert, my oldest. Again, and because I went to a boys' school, I insisted he must go to the same boys' school. And the other side of it that I didn't realize is me wanting him to go there, I went to the school and it did me good. But I didn't carry the badge of who is my father. I was just another boy. He gets to school and I'm finding this out now when he's in matric, that he was being bullied before being my son. And at the same time, he had a friend whose father was also he's in sports. So that boy didn't survive. At the end of grade 8, he said, every day, lo ngifuna ama-Cox, lo ngifuna i-jacket ye-Chiefs, lo ngifuna logo, laba bomawabo bafuna amatikiti kumngani wami, you know, it's that sort of thing. So he's only then starting to accept it and deal with it now through therapy. And also then the weight of so it all became a little bit too much for him, and he needed somebody that wasn't involved, because he also said when therapists came back, said this guy looks at you and you show up every day for them, but he's worried about you. Are you okay? So that also then created a new thing where I now have to sit down to and be able to open up to him, to say, look, this thing is hard, it's difficult. That's why sometimes, nyamalala whole day and people look at me like I'm crazy, but that's the closest I'll ever be able to get to my again is uklala corner. So now he's also then starting to learn and see Guti, it's okay to be emotionally vulnerable lakaya, because this is your safe spot, and that's the one thing in clear showing Ganin Guti. It's your unsafe spot, but lakaya you should feel the safest. We'll always take care, because I say this all the time. And I say to resolution. And that always wraps up the argument quickly to say, okay, let's look at this thing. And I said the same thing to her. I said, when I went to your house, the one conversation I had with the day I will walk you back here myself and say, Bagiti, hey, yeah.
Wow.
I think I'm a danger, particularly my teenager. Sometimes we do not relax. What is it? I'm a credit. Yes. I'm friend pushing and my mother understand this with credit. So figures card that book for never win anyway. Come back. Me, I'm not there or Jane and Bill Wayne. Whenever was would see look figures card that book for never win. And so the best time to start working on your future is now. And everything you do now is of the major decisions you make now are going to affect you. It's kind of difficult. So by letting you make decisions wenzayo, decision ngempela azokwazi ukuthi akhulise akuphikise. Ngoba kufanele ukukhule ngempela ube indoda. Nami phela if for example nje umthengi is my first son. Ufuneke ngempela abe example to my kids. Abashayisa bobani. So if yena angekho isikhopo angatshengisi ngempela ukuthi ufuna ukuphila impilo enjani mawukhula, then uzongilimazela lala abantu. So I have to make sure ukuthi God, please focus and please grow cooler.
Yeah. Deputy parent. I think that is so overwhelming for abantwana bethu is knowing the pressure was bazalwa obani. And next space abakusona kuyaziwa ukuthi ingane kabani, and they are not commoners. They have so much pressure. It's like when I expect ukuthi babe 10 steps ahead because of your background. I think that's where that comes.
Thank you for sharing that. Right, James, let's move on and for now individual answers from Ngumuntu Olana namhlanje. If you had a chance to Klala across the table from Ubaba, like whether Soalala, whether you never met them, they were absent, or whether they're still alive, what's the one question or a time that was there? Like I think let's start from Umzo and come down the line.
It would be Klambe Oboti. Yeah. Did he believe in me? Did he see me beyond what he wanted me to do for him? Did he think anything in Gabayan other than lay and I say somebody that's meant for?
That was a something there. I would like to know the products is that what he wanted to see out of me now. I'd really like to know that.
I think you were sharing all of the same thing. Because now I'm not like you time. If I need to, you're talking about where I think like 3 months ago. But here's the Dumunda opinions goes on. All the opinion I call the kwenziwa yimi, uphinde kubawazi ukuthi non-can't this son, iswando khuliswe yini. Go force ukuthi usuyakhona manje.
Sure.
I will ask, but I think it's time that was cool. Panasha bisa yabo, maybe nje abangani balo yabo, bebehambele nje yabo. Indawo zobumnandi yabo. But it's time obviously you share the waging yabo. Grand futhi safe yonke into yabo. But manje yabo akathinta utshwala yabo. So ubethiwa you had to ala phansi uphila impilo yakho. Bungaphinda futhi ushaya impilo ukuthi ihambe noma uzohamba ngaleli kiyonga.
Oh man. Yeah, I think for me it's a different case, but I think I wouldn't ask a question. I would just say thank you. Sometimes we want approval to, you know, and we want to make them proud and see it's good. But I think in my case, I would just say thank you for giving my mother that seed, you know, because this is what it produced. Look at the generation that you've produced. You were not there to experience, but you have grandparents. I mean, you are a grandfather now. You have a son who has taken your excuse me, to an international stage, you know, and like, but thank you. It was necessary to you know, God knew why. Maybe I wouldn't have become the person that I am if you were still alive, but you know, but the seed was enough. Yeah.
Demand.
I think for me it would be a case of what since we're not wapula involved so much in Bilonia, why did you not feel it was important for you to spend more time with me, to inject yourself into what you saw for my future as well? Sure, my question.
I think mine would many time mine would have been Mkhulu, because after his passing, I'm finding out about other kids, but I'm also finding out in the streets. So nobody from Ekaya knows. Sort of just been like, Mvo, you knew you had other kids. Like, why don't you bring us together? Because I think family is important. And with the amount of love that Mkhulu gave me, I would have wished that he gave his other kids the same kind of love.
Yeah, well, yeah. God, it makes sense. I want to just move to something that you said earlier on as well, about obviously Wuti, some of us learn in different families now.
Yeah.
And what's the toughest thing you've had to deal with in terms of making your kids from this side understand Wuti, they are brother and sister with the kids from this side, Kubeka Song as a family are going forward? What are some of the challenges as well?
Yeah. Yo, it was very challenging, but luckily abantwana bami laba badala indlela esasibakhulise ngayo noma you know kwakunzima sasibakhulise ngothando, so then it was difficult to teach them hate at that stage, yabo. So umntwana bomkhulise kahle ngothando, so yona into ahamba nayo leyo. So for them it was automatic for them, they understood ukuthi abantwana bakubo labo, so they have to love them whether ukuthi abazala uma wabo, but egcineni. So I would catch them sometime behle, you know what would happen if mom and dad would do it, they would disappear, but you know, but we'll have to get together, me and our siblings, you know.
Yeah.
It was very touching. I did not have to suggest that to them. It was automatic because of the way I taught them, you know.
I want to follow on with this, and I need the same response from you as well, Tira. How do you then now deal with kids want their parents together? Like mama and baba must be together. Imagine mama and baba are no longer together. Babu sele, mamu sele. How do you deal with this? So I want my parents together. Nami engine.
I'm a friend doing them.
Yeah.
So because I believe in your needs, right?
Yeah.
As I'm a kala,
So
as hard as it might be, I think my parents also are very good examples. They're still together, like Bambishisa. So Gina Kuloko would say, she has a 10. Zaya saying this guy to me, and really do your best to make this work.
Yeah.
Wow. Any other viewpoints?
Yeah. Like I think, like he masculinity abantwana is just to take the responsibility and say, I can tell you the silent. So you can't wish it away. You are the parent.
Yeah.
Baba, what are you saying about the situation? There's a lot of misbehaving. Because we also need to that. So young you must have a son.
Yeah.
Gents, are you happy with the number of children that you have?
I'm not.
You're right. But asking if we can have another baby.
That's a good question. Good question.
Mina right bethu but ifro ikhala ngentombazane but ayifect valile.
No, Pethu, I thought I wanted more children, but after changing nappies for so many days in this week, I thought I'm 45 years old. I don't see myself doing this again. After this age.
So it's easy.
Pethu, no, Omncane, the last born is actually she turned 3 months is old.
Yeah.
She wakes up 3 times a night. And ukakhala ngizwe uthi mama wakhe akalele uyamziba ngimuza ngikuzo la nje uthi vuka I have to wake up but am I willing to do that all over again? No, I don't know.
I'm saying it now, but 33 is enough. But mama kahle befuna one more, but I even usually say it's not an issue of money, even if I was to win billions.
Yeah.
Whatever I make now is to create their future.
Yeah.
So, like, I can just not get another month.
That is good. I said that.
Ngizocabana nophakela umthakathi. Uqhubekile no ukhulume eqiniso. So ngisho ngithi ngiyanhlisa ezinye iy'ngane but ngibheka mina like my daughter is the youngest is she's actually turning 2 next month and hey ngiyabona ngiqinaza ebusuku. And you more. So I mean like ulaka la duze bephethe imaki no usuke vele ngokuthi nanga. Utothola market kumele kwenze ngenzeni ebusuku. But yeah, I think it uhlale noNkulunkulu.
Uthando kaNkulunkulu hayithi.
I think in theory I would have loved more kids. But
practically
in theory, but the reality of it is ingane ilinda kuvale ka doctor kuvale esibhedlela igule like ngo10 ebusuku like the whole day right but ngo10 ebusuku kunento eyivula in the middle of winter ukawangena nengane emanzini ebhavini ukuthi uyehlisa ifever while in decide ukuthi nesibhedlela or what yabo leyo nto leyo every time I think of it I'm like
it's a nightmare.
Maybe ngiyemthunga kakhulu ukuthi ingane yakho mayigula uyazwela
ngathi ungayithola sekwazi ukukhuluma yabona sekuwo 6 7 seyakhuluma nje zingaze ziyi20 as long as zikwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi kubhlungu kephi
inkinga ngisho ukuzela ikhala ukuthi yazela ikhala ngathi yagula ikuzela like I don't know what to do like ishushuze
Gents, for me, the most exciting part of this is the joy and the smiles that come onto your faces when you talk about your children. And I think that is going to run on to future generations because Ingan is begetin. And they look up to us to see how they are going to be as fathers because a lot of us, myself, let me speak for myself, come from a home where I didn't have an example of what a father is, but I took the best from the community, put it together, and I'm doing my best. Might not be good enough for the next person, but I'm a work in progress and we'll see how it goes from there.
Love to hear that. James, it's been a great morning. So everyone for making time and for educating us. And I think like just to revive that again, starting from the top and coming down, what are your closing words as well that you'd like to share today?
As Baba, like I think Nami as a Baba, why not the any? I will show what is only the bad. I also took ownership and I also Nami when the thing is and I haven't lived this life before. To show onabantwana mama bokuthola amaphilo no matter what forward.
Mina from inside lami mfethu, I look up to Itama lami kakhulu, and I would like to achieve some of the things that he achieved. Itama lami provided for our family Lisaphila and provided for our family Selfile. In fact, provided for our family more Selfile. So nami ngiyafisa ukuthi ngathi leso sifundo nginasibamba ukuthi lokho engikwazi ukwenza manje ngokuplana kwami through izinto lezi ezikhona manje uma police nami ngibe mangihamba ingane zami ziphile even a times 10 better life than eziphila manje.
I must know. So for me, ultimately, so a message to about in Koba, you know, ukuthi his Koba sinababaleki nabantwana bethu, you know, ngisho babenama problems between ubaba no mama wengane, but try and make sure that you are the clean sheet, because a lot of our social ills, but that's why even this country, you know, I must baba, you know, especially in the Nova day on Sunday, you know, yeah, so let us be there for our kids, and you can always make sure we are not there financially kind of also there now what time or not this cat in other like any other kid, the competition more indoyenza ebengendo shop.
Yeah.
So ne no kwenza ukuthi abibe isibonile seshinda tenant so a local for and
mina like to say ngiyabonga abazali bami ngokungikhulisa ngendini yabo. Yabo only depana bekunesikhathi somfetshisi lapha ezayizo.
yeah this one
ubuya seshonile phansi washo umpetshisi yabo lokho ngempela kungifundisile ukuthi ngibe nakho lokhu kuyiqoqa yabo ngibe nayo leyo discipline leyo yabo even if sengifike evarsity sema ngifike uthiwa yabo singozi kuhlala ngedwa yabo bekhona leyo nto leyo ukuthi kuse abazali expect a lot from you, so please ungabe disappoint, make sure that now njengobula even usuwedwa ngoba I think the decisions owenza uwedwa iwona balenga kakhulu ngoba you need to shape i-future yakho ngendlela nawe ufuna ukuthi ibe yiyona. So if uzo ngazi ukuthi uphuma nini shona nini kuzolimaza i-future yakho lokho. So ngiyappreciate abazali bami ukuthi ngempela bangikhulise ngesandla sensimbi yasazi nesandla sensimbi yabo ngempela ngempela kuthiwa funda ngathi ngishama record kwathi wafunda angaze ngicede isikole ngathi okay selifundile so I think that was very, very important, and I think maybe it made the man I am today.
Yeah, I think for me is the message to Obaba Bazama out there, you know, don't be too hard on yourself, you know. No one, Ngasi was cool and think we've got this figured out, you know. No one has actually got it figured out. You know, we make mistakes here and there, but as long as the intention is right, you know, kulisa abantwana bakho. And if fatherhood is a journey, no one is a perfect father. I don't think we'll ever be perfect fathers, you know, in this lifetime. But we can always try and thrive. I want to be that father, and not only be a father to my kids only. You know, after being a father to my kids, I'm aware that there are young men out there and other people who are looking up to me as a father figure. You know, I want to have that grace to walk right for them and do things right. One day someone will testify and say, hey, I looked hey, you know, I want to thank Untogozo, you know, for being a good father. I looked up to him, so I want to be that father, you know. But you know, relax and you know, just relax, don't be too hard on yourself.
I'd like to echo that. Fight for your kids. It's not easy, and I know Utama relationship are complicated. Sometimes I was one in a family, but fight for your kids, and one day you will reap the rewards of it. But most importantly, show love. And if you come from a home in Otando, you half the job is done. You become a better human being, and it becomes easier.
I want to send a direct message to future dads around parenthood. Make smarter decisions, and I want to say,
don't make permanent decisions with temporary people. That no chance has been great. And to the person watching, please do leave your comments below as well, and let's continue dialoguing. But it's been a great conversation. Thanks, gents.
Seven.
Gagasi FM.